If you want to activate the Bixby on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, all you have to do is you need to open the Bixby app, which you should be able to find, for example, in the app drawer. Now, if you open Bixby for the first time on your Z Flip 8, then you will have to grant all of these permissions. So we're gonna just tap on continue, and there we go. Now we can use Bixby. Of course, in addition to that, you might want to activate some shortcuts to have quicker access to Bixby. Like, for example, over here, we can activate Bixby with a gesture. We can simply raise our phone to our mouth and speak to activate Bixby instantly. If you have this prompt, you can tap on Go to Settings to turn on the gesture Wake Up. But besides that, we can also open the settings, and if you scroll down over here, you should be able to find advanced features. Here we have Bixby settings, which I'm gonna go to in a second, but first I want to show you side button settings, because over here, if you go to the long press, then of course you can use Bixby instead of Digital Assistant or Power Off menu. So then you can press and hold the power button to activate Bixby if that's what you want. So now let's go to Bixby settings, and as you can see here, we have the voice wake up, we have the gesture wake up, and we even have the shortcut to the side button again. And besides that, we have a couple of additional options that you might want to check out, maybe even change. Like, for example, here we have the language and voice style, which you can change. You can even create your own personal voice for Bixby, so that is pretty cool. We have full voice responses, we have the sound feedback, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, the list goes on and on and on. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.